In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find recent activity in Microsoft Teams. This is a very useful feature for keeping track of your personal engagements and ensuring you stay updated on your individual contributions within the platform. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to your profile picture or icon. This is typically located in the upper right-hand corner of your Microsoft Teams application window or web interface. Look for a small circle that either contains your initials or a photograph you've uploaded. This icon serves as your personal gateway to a variety of settings and account management options. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu, revealing several choices related to your presence, availability, and overall account configuration. It's a fundamental starting point for accessing your personal information and preferences within Teams, distinct from general channel or team settings. So once you've identified that small clickable image or initial in the top right, go ahead and give it a click to proceed to the next step. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, a menu will appear, presenting you with a list of options. Among these, you'll find an option clearly labeled View Account. This is the selection you need to make. The View Account option is designed to take you to a centralized dashboard where you can manage various aspects of your personal Microsoft Teams experience. It's different from simply changing your status or accessing general settings. This section is specifically dedicated to your individual profile, privacy, and activity logs. By choosing View Account, you're telling Teams that you want to delve deeper into your personal usage data and settings. Keep an eye out for this specific text in the drop-down menu and click it to open your account management portal. Finally, within your account management portal, you'll typically see a left-hand navigation panel that contains several categories. Look for the option labeled Recent Activity in this panel. This is where all your personalized actions and interactions are logged. Clicking on Recent Activity will display a chronological list of everything you've done or that has directly involved you within Teams. This includes messages you've sent, files you've shared, meetings you've participated in, reactions you've received on your messages, and any mentions directed specifically at you. It acts as your personal historical record, helping you to quickly review your contributions, catch up on conversations you've been a part of, or simply verify your engagements. It's an invaluable tool for productivity and ensuring you haven't missed any personal notifications or direct interactions. Take a moment to browse through your activity and see just how comprehensive this log truly is. And there you have it. Those are the straightforward steps to finding your recent activity in Microsoft Teams. This feature is incredibly useful for staying organized and keeping a pulse on your personal interactions and contributions within the platform. By following these instructions, you can easily access a detailed log of your engagements, ensuring you never miss a beat. We hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Microsoft Teams experience.